Here I have ALCATEL1, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts and tap here, go to its settings and select import export. Then select where from you want to copy contacts. It could be phone, your SD card, internal storage, or phone. So we're gonna copy it from our SIM card to our phone. Let's do it. Here you can select contacts which you want to copy. So let's pick, for example, I don't know, this ones, and tap here, and after that these contacts will be copied to our contacts list, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.